this is class 9th math. Topic is matrices and determination. Objectives are matrices help us to find the prices and cost of objects. We can solve a large set of data. We can solve simultaneous equation with the help of matrices. Now the first is we can define what is a matrix. Matrix is a arrangement, a rectangular arrangement of elements. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a matrix. Horizontal entries are called row, like 1, 2 is a row, and column. Vertical entries like 1, 3 are column. So what is the ordered of a matrix? Order of matrix is number of rows by number of column. If we can find the order of this, so there is a 2 rows, so 2 rows by 2 columns. So order is 2 by 2 is the order of a matrix. So there are different types of matrix. Equal matrix. Two matrices are said to be equal if their order of A is equal to order of B. Order of A is equal to order of B, and their corresponding entries are same. सो 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 पहले तो इनके ऑर्डर सेम है, इसका भी ऑर्डर 2 बाई 2 है, इसका ऑर्डर भी 2 बाई 2 है, इनकी जो एंट्रीज है वो भी सेम है, तो ये हमारे पास जो है वो इक्वल मैट्रिक्स जो है वो कहलाएंगे. नाउ डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मैट्रिक्स आर रो मैट्रिक्स. If a matrix having only one row, right, so this is a row matrix. Column matrix, if matrix having one column, so called column matrix. Now rectangular matrix. Two matrices are, a matrix is a rectangular if the number of rows not equal to number of column, like 1 2 4. So there are 2 rows and 3 column. Number of rows not equal to number of column. So this is a rectangular matrix. Square matrix. In square matrix, number of rows are equal to number of column. like, so there are 2 rows and 2 columns. Number of rows equal to number of columns. Now null or zero matrix. Null or zero, null, the word null used for vectors and zero for scalar. So null or zero matrix means a matrix in which all entries are zero. So this is a zero matrix, or in the same way only one element that is zero, so this is a zero matrix. Now what is a transpose of a matrix? In transpose of matrix, there is a convert rows into column, interchange rows into column. Suppose is a matrix 2 3. So when transpose, there is interchange of rows into column. So after transpose of matrix, there is a negative of matrix. In negative of matrix, we change the sign of elements, like 1 minus 2 4 minus 3. So there is no sign, there should be a positive sign. So in a negative of matrix, we change, multiply both by minus plus, and minus plus. So this is a negative of a matrix. Now symmetric matrix. If we take a transpose and after transpose answer remains same, so A transpose is equal to A, the matrix said to be symmetric matrix. Like A is 0 2, now we transpose answer will be same. The number of rows change into columns. So transpose of A is equal to A. Skew symmetric. In skew symmetric matrix, similarly transpose of A is equal to minus A. Like A is equal to 0 minus 2. So by transpose 0 minus 2, when multiply by minus number, minus 2 2 0. So A transpose is equal to minus A. So lot of there is a identity matrix. Identity of matrix are is 1 0 and 1. So this is the identity of a matrix. Now scalar matrix, in scalar matrix diagonals are same. Diagonal matrix, all entries are 0 except one number. So these diagonals are not same, called diagonals of a matrix. So open-ended question of all these. First is find the order of given matrix. And define the different types of matrix with the two examples. So these are the questions. Thank you, students.